Daily reflection might seem like a simple habit, but it holds the power to transform your life in incredible ways. Imagine waking up each day with a clear mind and a sense of purpose, knowing that you are in tune with your inner self. This practice is not just about looking back at your day, but understanding your emotions, actions, and thoughts deeply. By reflecting daily, you can uncover insights about yourself that you never knew existed, leading to personal growth and a richer, more fulfilling life. Failing to engage in daily reflection can have significant consequences. Without this practice, you might find yourself drifting through life without a clear direction, making the same mistakes repeatedly and feeling disconnected from your true self. The absence of reflection means missing out on valuable lessons that your daily experiences can offer. Over time, this can lead to a sense of confusion and stagnation where you feel stuck and unable to progress. Daily reflection is your tool to break free from this cycle, helping you to learn, grow, and move forward with clarity and confidence. Daily reflection is a mindful practice that involves looking back at your day with a keen sense of awareness. It's more than just thinking about what happened. It's about understanding why things happened and how they affected you. This practice allows you to connect with your inner self, bringing to light your true thoughts and feelings. It's like having a daily conversation with yourself where you get to listen to your inner voice and understand your emotions and actions better. Through daily reflection, you can identify patterns in your behavior, recognize your strengths and weaknesses, and gain insights that can guide your future actions. It's a simple yet profound way to nurture your personal growth and enhance your overall well-being. Engaging in daily reflection comes with a multitude of benefits that can significantly improve your life. One of the most notable advantages is increased mental clarity. By taking the time to reflect, you clear the mental clutter that accumulates throughout the day, making it easier to focus on what truly matters. This practice also enhances your emotional well-being. When you reflect on your day, you process your emotions in a healthy way, preventing them from building up and causing stress or anxiety. Daily reflection fosters spiritual growth. It helps you connect with your deeper self and understand your life's purpose, leading to a more meaningful existence. Furthermore, this practice can improve your decision-making skills. By analyzing your past actions and their outcomes, you learn what works best for you and what doesn't, enabling you to make better choices in the future. Overall, the benefits of daily reflection are far-reaching, touching every aspect of your life and helping you become the best version of yourself. Starting a daily reflection practice is simple and can be done by anyone, regardless of their busy schedule. The first step is to set aside a specific time each day for reflection. This could be in the morning, before you start your day, or in the evening, before you go to bed. Choose a time when you are least likely to be disturbed, so you can reflect without any distractions. Next, create a quiet and comfortable space for your reflection practice. This could be a cozy corner in your home where you feel relaxed and at peace. Having a designated space helps to signal to your mind that it's time to reflect. Once you have your time and space set, start your reflection by taking a few deep breaths to calm your mind. Then, think about your day, starting from the moment you woke up to the present moment. Consider the events that took place, the people you interacted with, and the emotions you felt. Ask yourself questions like, what went well today? What could I have done differently? And what did I learn about myself today? Write down your thoughts in a journal to keep track of your reflections. This not only helps you to remember your insights, but also allows you to see your progress over time. Starting a daily reflection practice may feel challenging at first, but with consistency, it will become a natural and rewarding part of your routine. Effective reflection goes beyond simply thinking about your day. It involves using specific techniques to gain deeper insights and make the most out of your reflective practice. One powerful method is journaling. By writing down your thoughts, you can organize them better and explore your emotions in greater depth. Start by setting a timer for 10, 15 minutes and write continuously without worrying about grammar or structure. Let your thoughts flow freely onto the paper. Another effective technique is meditation. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet meditation, focusing on your breath and allowing your mind to settle. As thoughts arise, observe them without judgment and let them pass. After your meditation, spend a few moments reflecting on any insights or emotions that surfaced. Mindful breathing is another valuable tool. Throughout your day, take short breaks to focus on your breath. This helps to bring you back to the present moment and clear your mind. In the evening, incorporate this mindful breathing into your reflection practice. Take a few deep breaths and review your day with a calm and centered mind. Combining these techniques can enhance your reflection practice and help you gain deeper understanding and clarity. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. Starting a daily reflection practice can come with its own set of challenges. One common obstacle is finding the time. In our busy lives, it can be difficult to set aside a few minutes for reflection. To overcome this, try integrating reflection into your existing routine. For example, you can reflect during your morning coffee, on your commute, or right before bed. Consistency is key, so find a time that works best for you and stick to it. Another challenge is dealing with distractions. It's easy to get interrupted or let your mind wander during reflection. To minimize distractions, choose a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Turn off your phone or put it on silent mode and let others know that you need some uninterrupted time for yourself. Some people find it difficult to focus during reflection, especially if they have a lot on their mind. If this happens, start with a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation to calm your mind. You can also use prompts or questions to guide your reflection, such as, "What am I grateful for today?" or "What challenges did I face and how did I overcome them?" If you struggle with staying consistent, try setting reminders or creating a reflection habit tracker. This can help you stay accountable and motivated to keep up with your practice. Remember, it's okay to have days where reflection feels difficult. Be gentle with yourself and keep going. Over time, these challenges will become easier to manage, and your reflection practice will become a rewarding part of your daily routine. Incorporating reflection into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making it a priority. Recognize the value it brings to your life and commit to setting aside time each day. Begin with small, manageable chunks of time, such as 5, 10 minutes, and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with the practice. One way to make reflection a natural part of your routine is to pair it with an existing habit. For example, you can reflect while you have your morning coffee, during your lunch break, or before you go to sleep. Associating reflection with a regular activity makes it easier to remember and stick to. Creating a ritual around your reflection time can also help. This could involve lighting a candle, playing soft music, or sitting in your favorite chair. Having a ritual signals to your mind that it's time for reflection, making it easier to transition into the practice. Be flexible with your reflection practice. If you miss a day, don't get discouraged. Simply pick it up the next day and continue. The key is consistency over perfection. As you incorporate reflection into your routine, you'll find that it becomes a natural and enjoyable part of your day. Consider using tools and resources to support your practice. There are many apps and journals designed specifically for reflection. These can provide prompts, track your progress, and offer guidance on deepening your practice. Incorporating reflection into your routine is about making it a habit that enhances your life. With commitment and consistency, daily reflection will become a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness. Reflecting on your day involves a detailed review of the events, emotions, and interactions that took place. Start by finding a quiet moment where you can sit comfortably and relax. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then, mentally walk through your day, starting from the moment you woke up. Recall the key events and interactions you had, paying close attention to how each moment made you feel. Consider both the positive and negative aspects of your day. Reflect on what went well and what didn't. Ask yourself questions like, what were the highlights of my day? What challenges did I face? And how did I handle those challenges? This process helps you gain insights into your behaviors and reactions, allowing you to learn and grow from your experiences. Writing down your reflections in a journal can be very helpful. It allows you to capture your thoughts in a tangible form, making it easier to analyze and understand them. Over time, you can look back at your journal entries to see patterns and track your progress. Reflecting on your day in this structured manner helps you develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your journey. Daily reflection is a powerful tool for personal growth. By regularly examining your thoughts, actions, and emotions, you can identify areas where you want to improve and set goals for personal development. Start by acknowledging your strengths and achievements. Celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem. This positive reinforcement boosts your confidence and motivates you to keep moving forward. Next, identify areas where you feel you could do better. Be honest with yourself about your weaknesses and mistakes, but also be compassionate. Use these reflections to set realistic and actionable goals for improvement. For example, if you notice that you often feel stressed, you might set a goal to practice stress-reducing techniques like mindfulness or exercise. Reflection also helps you stay aligned with your values and purpose. As you reflect on your actions and decisions, consider how they align with your core beliefs and long-term goals. This alignment ensures that you are living authentically and making choices that are true to yourself. Use reflection to cultivate gratitude and mindfulness. Take time each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. This practice shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, fostering a sense of contentment and happiness. Mindfulness, or being present in the moment, enhances your awareness and helps you fully experience and appreciate life. By using reflection as a tool for personal growth, you can continuously evolve and improve, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Maintaining consistency in your daily reflection practice is crucial for reaping its full benefits. Start by setting a specific time for reflection each day and stick to it as much as possible. This creates a routine that becomes a natural part of your day. Consistency helps to reinforce the habit, making it easier to continue over the long term. Another strategy for maintaining consistency is to make reflection enjoyable. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you feel relaxed and at peace. Create a soothing environment by adding elements like soft lighting, calming music, or a comfortable chair. When reflection feels like a pleasant and rewarding activity, you are more likely to look forward to it and keep it up. Accountability can also help you stay consistent. Share your reflection goals with a friend or join a group where you can discuss your experiences and progress. Having someone to share your journey with provides support and motivation to keep going. Using tools like journals or reflection apps can help track your practice and remind you to reflect each day. These tools often offer prompts and questions that can guide your reflections and keep you engaged. Remember, consistency doesn't mean perfection. There will be days when you miss your reflection time or find it difficult to focus. That's okay. What's important is to get back on track and continue your practice without self-judgment. Over time, reflection will become a natural and integral part of your daily routine, providing continuous opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Daily reflection is a powerful practice that can transform your life in profound ways. By taking the time to look back on your day, you gain valuable insights into your thoughts, actions, and emotions, leading to personal growth and a deeper understanding of yourself. Through effective techniques like journaling, meditation, and mindful breathing, you can enhance your reflection practice and make it a rewarding part of your routine. Overcoming common challenges and maintaining consistency are key to sustaining your reflection habit. By integrating reflection into your daily routine and using tools and strategies to stay accountable, you can ensure that this practice becomes a natural and enjoyable part of your life. Reflection helps you stay aligned with your values, set and achieve personal goals, and cultivate gratitude and mindfulness. As you continue to reflect daily, you will find yourself growing and evolving, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. So, embrace the practice of daily reflection and allow it to guide you on your journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Take a few minutes each day to connect with your inner self, understand your experiences, and learn from them. Your life will be enriched, and you will find greater clarity, peace, and happiness along the way.